Welcome back to Bunny's Kitchen. My name is Suniil and today we're going to make potato rosti. Where's potato rosti from? It's from Switzerland. Let's look at the ingredients. 3 boiled potatoes, 1 tablespoon of chives, that we'll call it Chives, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, freshly ground peppers to taste, salt to taste.
Baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Now we're going to grate the potato and going to use the bigger side to grate it. Do you know why we have to use the bigger side to grate it? To make it costly.
Now we just heated up the butter. Now Siti is going to put the rosti. Later on, I'm going to do a taste test of the food. It is so crispy and delicious. You should try it.